Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high ping in League of Legends. These methods can help improve your connection and reduce lag while playing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to speedtest.net. Click Go. Wait for the test to finish. If your internet speed is very slow, or your ping is already high, the problem may be with your internet connection. Now close any apps you're not using, especially downloads, streaming apps, or anything using your internet. Next, go to Windows Search. Search Resource Monitor. Open it. Click the Network tab. Check which applications are using your network. If you find an app you're not using, right-click it. Then click End Process. Now let's change your DNS server. Go to Windows Search. Search Control Panel. Open it. Click Network and Internet. Then click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the network you're using. Then click Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Now go to Windows Search. Search Command Prompt. Right-click it. Then click Run as Administrator. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration/flushtons. Then press Enter. Now type IP protocol configuration/release. Press Enter. Then type IP protocol configuration/renew. Press Enter. Close command prompt. Restart your computer. Then launch League of Legends again. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Then try playing again. If you're using Wi-Fi, try using an Ethernet cable instead. A wired connection is usually faster and more stable for online games. If you're still experiencing high ping, leave a comment below and tell me which server you're playing on. I'll do my best to help. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.